We'll guide you through how to download any YouTube video. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube. So this is convenient to do, and we're going to guide you through the different ways it can be done. Make sure it's this full video and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this. So for the first way we're going to guide you through is for your own videos, and the second way is for others. So if it's one of your own videos, then what you can do is come to the top right of YouTube and go and press your profile icon. Come down the list and you want to go and find the option for YouTube Studio, and you want to go and click on it like so. Then you can come over to the left and go and press content, and you can go and find your videos. Find the video you want to go and download and press the three dots to the right, and you can go and find the option for download and click on it. Then it'll go and download, as you can see in the top right there, and it'll be in your file explorer in your downloads, so you can go and locate it there. Now, if you want to go and download someone else's video, what you want to do is go and find it. When you go and find the video you want to do it with, what you can then do is go and scroll down beneath the video. You need to come over to the right and go and find the three dots and go and click on it, and you can find the option for download. And what you can then do is go and click there. To use this function, you do need to go and have YouTube Premium, which is a paid subscription. So you can go and get it. You'll be prompted to when you press it. To go and find this downloaded video, press the three lines in the top left. You can then go down and go and find downloads. And as you can see, here is a downloaded video. And you can access this without a connection to the internet to watch offline.